Hello and welcome back. So, now that you have set up a development environment, let's write your first program. And that program traditionally is called HelloWorld. So, I'm going to type up the program and I need you to copy it exactly as I do. So that way your program will run correctly. So, to begin, let's open up our text editor. And I do that with Genie. And we're going to create the file, and our file for our program is called hello.java. So, what does this look like? Alright, are you ready to follow along? The magic incantation goes like this. Public class hello, and you'll notice hello matches the program, the name of the file that this program is associated with. And then you hit return and an open curly brace that is usually next to the P on the keyboard, and hit enter. And you notice Genie knew that this is a Java file, so it's going to indent with appropriate Java syntax indentation. Now this white space isn't necessary, but it's useful for humans to read, okay? So please make sure you include the white space. Now, to continue with the magic incantation, public, static, void, main, open parentheses, string, open and close square brackets, args, close parentheses, and then you'll hit enter and another curly brace opening, hit enter again, and Genie's going to say good Java syntax says you indent again. System dot out dot print ln open parentheses, and then hello world enclosed in double quotes. Hello world, close parenthesis, and very important, once this line has been entered, end it with a semicolon. Enter. Now a close curly bracket, and Genie associated the curly braces with the appropriate indentation, and then another close curly bracket, and Genie again. Notice you wanted to close a curly bracket and associated it with the appropriate open curly bracket. It's even highlighting it for you. Okay, this is your Java program. Save it. And now, let's compile it. I say compile because the computer doesn't know how to run your Java program yet. It needs to have either machine code or, in Java's case, Java bytecode. So the compiler will turn this, what we've written in Java, to bytecode. Now, the way you do that is with javac hello.java. And hello.java is in the directory that I'm currently in, so javac will find the file hello.java. Hit enter, and if you get no feedback from the compiler, then your source code compiled correctly into Java bytecode. What does Java bytecode look like? I'll show you. Let's take a look at the class file generated, which contains the bytecode, and it's called hello.class. I'm sure as heck glad I didn't have to write that. So let's run our program. Java hello, and you don't need to say .class. And I don't know why they don't need to require you to do that, but here you don't say .class. Otherwise you actually get an error if you do. So Java hello, and we get hello world. Isn't that cool? Congratulations, you've just written your first Java program. Now if you get errors, the compiler is usually telling you, the compiler will usually tell you what the error is probably in your syntax, and usually that's you have misappropriated curly braces or parentheses or double quotes or semicolon. So check for those if the compiler tells you that you have one of those errors. Otherwise, you may have an older version of Java that didn't include a certain package that is included by default in modern Java. So if that's the case, you just want to add this line: import java.io .asterisk semicolon, and save that, and you can compile again. This will work again in modern Java. It's including a package that was already included. So if you compile that, it'll work just fine, and run it, you get the same thing. Okay, so if you get errors that discussion doesn't fix, post them in the comments. If you want to talk about HelloWorld, or you want to suggest topics for future videos, the word to prove that you're a human is bytecode. BYTECODE. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.